Today we show how to buy shares of Freedom Holding Corp. This is a NASDAQ-listed company trading under the ticker FRHC, and it offers brokerage and financial services. This video is educational and not financial advice. You need a broker to place the trade. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, typically with an ID document, and to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FRHC to find the listing. Check the search results carefully to locate the correct NASDAQ entry for Freedom Holding Corp. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Review the name and exchange to confirm this is the correct stock for Freedom Holding Corp. To buy, choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a market on open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, the registration link is in the description below.